Hi, myself Hema Ghai from HG Academy. Today we're gonna start with a new topic. It's a big topic of determiners. It's an English topic, English grammar. So what are determiners? Determiners are basically a part of grammar that specify a noun. We know what is noun? It specifies a noun. We have certain types of determiners. Like we'll be doing 6 types of determiners today. First is the articles, demonstrative, possessive, distributive, quantifiers, interrogative. So these are the various types of determiners. How will we be describing the determiners in a sentence now? Articles means a, an and the. So how will be using in a sentence like, if it is a sentence like Sunday is a holiday. So here I'll say the determiner is a. I'll be doing very easy sentences with you so that it will be easier for you to understand also. If I'll say the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So here what I'll say, the means it is coming with a noun. So it is specifying a noun. If I'll say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So here an is the an and a. They both are the article demonstratives, determiners. Article determiners means articles are a and the. Whenever we are using it in a sentence means they are using as a determiners. And when we'll be going to the demonstrative part, demonstrative means it is this, that, these, those. Like we are donating the thing, like we are just saying this, that, these, those. Means we are denoting something. Suppose I am saying this is a pen. It's a simple sentence. Everyone knows it. So here this is like it is showing that this is a pen. Pen is a noun. It is specifying a noun. If I'll say those books are on the table. So here those books. If I'll say these birds are chirping. So here these birds. So this, that, these, those. These are all the determiners of demonstrative. Now I'll come to the possessive part. Possessive means something where we are talking about possession, ourself. Means me, my, our, your. So it will all come in the possessive. Me, my, our, his, her. So all. It will be more. Own. It can be anything. Means it's etc. Basically we have so many possessives determiners. If I'll say me and my friends are going. So it is me and my. These are the possessive determiners. If I'll say she, or either I'll say Ram is looking at his friend. So here Ram is a noun, but he is using his friend. His friend means it is specifying the noun only. ये राम को ही specify कर रहा है. If I'll say Sita is talking to her mother. तो basically वो अपनी mother से बात कर रही है. तो her इसमें हो गया possessive determiner. Means she is talking to her mother. I am taking my class. So means I am taking my classes. My is the determiner here. So means it is showing possessiveness of something. Determiner means possessiveness. Possessive determiner is possessiveness. Me, my, his, her, our, it's all. It is our house. My house is beautiful. So my is the possessive determiner here. The next one is distributive. Distributive is either, neither, each, every. It will all come here. Either, neither, each, every. Means we are talking about something we are getting to distribute. If I'll say distribute all toffees in each of the student, or you'll say either of my pen is not working. Means not even this pen, not even those pen, that pen, nothing is working. Either of my pen is not working. So here I am talking about no pen is working. Distributive. Each of us is getting vaccinated. So here each. Every student of our class is getting 90% of results. So every. So these are all the distributive determinants. Quantifiers means something which is in a quantity. Quantity means when we are talking about some quantity we are having, like some, many, much, any. It can be etc. Like give me some milk. If I'll say give me some milk. So here is the quantity is some. I do not have any pencil with me. So here any is the verb. I have many books to read. So here many is the determiner. So these are the quantifiers in which we are talking about the quantity. If I say little can also be the part of it. Give me little milk. So these are the quantity we are talking about of the quantity. Amount basically. It can be many things like several. There can be more, etc. I am using etc. because there can be more of it. The last one is interrogative means question form, where we are using what, how, where. It can be etc. like what is your name? Where are you going? Where have you been? Means it's an interrogative determiner. How are you doing? So here it's a question mark. How? It can be many. Means all the question forms. Whose? Which? It can be whose? Which? Which is your house? Whose pen is this? Whose book is this? So it can be all the interrogative determiners. So these are all the 6 types of determiners we should know, and we should use it in a sentence. Whenever a child is getting an exam, what type of a determiner he gets is to underline it or either to fill up the blank with the type of the determiner being asked. So please go through it. If you find any difficulty, do